Welcome back, people. So today we have another video. This is on the M365 Pro. We shown lots of different videos on the Pro and on the Pro 2, range tests and many more things and repairs and stuff. Today we have a big problem. Again, my brother's scooter, never mind, but he always treats his stuff not very well, so that's why. So today we have a broken part of this where the screw goes in it there. It's kind of rounded off, a little bit split. He didn't put any gun glue in there like I did recommend him, so this is why it is this way. The pin's also almost falling out of this side. You can see the pins hanging out there and not the other side. So what we need to do is replace this part, replace the tires, replace the back fender, replace the back bracket, replace the brake pads. Is what I'm going to do. I am going to speed this video up. Obviously I'll show you me talking now and just me getting this started, but I am going to speed everything up so that way it just makes the video that little bit quicker. If you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to become a member and support the channel a little bit more, click the link in the description below. Every part that I'm going to be using, again, I will link that in the description below. So this is the M365 Pro Xiaomi scooter, and here we have the new part. New stem. Looks like it's already been gunned inside, but just as a caution, I do have something extra. Now this pole is probably around about this much smaller compared to the this was the 1S pole. That's what I got. I've tried a few different poles. I actually bought that whole new pole, and again this has happened, but then probably it was his own fault because, as I said, he didn't glue inside. This one looks like it's already gunned inside. You can see down in there, looks like it's already gunned, but I'm gonna just put in some Gorilla Glue as well anyway. So here I have some Gorilla Glue. I bought that. Again, everything that I'm showing you, I will link it in the description below. And then we also got the rear mud guard plus the plastic fender to strengthen it up so there's not so much movement and it makes it stronger. We also have another two. This one was actually really good. I'm quite surprised. It actually came with a really strong tyre lever. By the looks of it, that's really quite a heavy duty one. Let's have a look. Oh wow, yeah, that really is. That's quite big as well, actually, from fingertip down past the wrist. Yeah, quite big. But I do have my own now. I finally got my own. Two new punchless tyres. These are going to be great fun. Love doing these. Definitely not. Again, we've made videos on how to do the speed hack on the M365 Pro and on the Pro 2. It will also work on the 9-bot and it'll also work on the standard M365. Lots of other repairs and videos and stuff that we've done all on this scooter you'll find across the channel under as e-bikes and electric scooters. Subscribe, don't forget to drop a like, and I'm going to speed up the video now of me doing things just so that way it doesn't take you too long to watch. To start off with, I'm probably going to undo the head stem, disconnect all of that, and then come down to the front wheel, the back wheel. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Wish me luck. Any comments? If you've got any questions, do leave it in the comment section below, and of course I'll try and get back to you as quick as I can. Okay, so almost ready now. Just finishing off. Got some good old-fashioned multi-purpose wipes. So I think he's going to be pretty happy with it. Of course, I did have to use some of my own brake pads because the brake pads I ordered him were the wrong ones, even though they showed they were the right ones. But anyway, yeah, some multi-purpose wipes, just cleaning it over. Just trying to make it look a little bit better as it's really dirty. This is the only time it does get cleaned is when I clean it, because he just doesn't really bother. He's not really bothered. But yeah, so I put some Gorilla Glue in the back, reinforced mudguard there. I put some super glue or Gorilla Super Glue in there, just so that way it keeps that nice and tight. Also put some in the side of the down tube, just even though it was gunned, just to try and reinforce that part as much as possible, because that was of course where it broke before. So all the parts I will link in the description below, apart from the brake pads, because of course they were the wrong ones. So if you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be having another video of this at some point, of me changing the brake cable, because that definitely does need changing big time. So keep an eye out for that video. If there's any more problems with the M365 Pro or the Pro 2, which is what I have, if I have any more problems, of course I will make more videos and I will be posting them, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out. And if you've got any problems yourself with electric scooters, even if it's not this one, again, leave it in the comments section and I'll try and get back to you and I'll try and help you out. Now, I'm not qualified in any way as an electrician or in any way for these electric scooters, but I've just spent a lot of time working on them, all different types, and messing around with electric bikes, electric scooters, that kind of stuff. And that's kind of how I learned, really, as I progressed through. But yeah, I also put the little red piece, rubber seal thing, whatever you want to call it, back on there. And we've got two new front tyres, brake pads, and we replaced the whole entire stem. Hopefully this one's going to be better. It feels nice and solid. There's no movement in there like the other one was. It was really loose. So I reckon this is going to be a good stem. As I said, this stem did say it was for the M1, but I know there's not a lot of difference between that and the M365 Pro, other than the height difference, which was, as I said in the beginning, just a tiny bit. Okay, there we go. He now has his scooter back up and running again, and it looks like brand new. It actually looks like a new scooter again. I also did put a bit of super glue on this grip for him, because the grip kept pulling off all the time and he don't ever want to change the grip. So I put a bit of glue on there. It's not a big problem. I can always cut it off if I ever did change it. But there it is. The M365 Pro is back on the road again with some nice new solid tyres. I've shown videos separately on how to change the tyres, and anything that I've done in this video, again, I've made longer videos but not speeded it up. So if you're stuck on anything, look on one of those other videos. I'm pretty sure that will help you out. Don't forget to drop a like. That's it. That took me the best part of about an hour and a half, but it was definitely worth it. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I'm out.